Alrighty, welcome to my desktop. I'm Major Freak. So, never tried this before. Well, I have in the past, but it's failed, and I thought it was a huge troll. So I'm going to try again. This is an attempt to copy the settings of my, escape menu and character window positions and those two settings files. Now, the escape menu, I believe, is the user, the account level, and the character, of course, is the placement of the windows, etc. All right, so I will attempt to do exactly how I'm supposed to do it, and then I'll run the game, and hopefully it works. And yeah, because before I've tried it, it just absolutely didn't work. So here we go. So these are the numbers of the character I logged into, moved around the windows the way I had them on my old computer, set the escape menu options to how I had them approximately to the old computer, and now I'm going to, I have a backup. I copied them, and now I'm going to just copy that file over and over again, pasting it and adding it to the characters. So the characters that I'll be copying it to are these. So one character, another character, whoops. And I don't need to know the characters' names. All I know that these characters are my mains. These are all my mains to the accounts I own, the Omega ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that makes 6 characters. Good. And I'll add the users, core users, which is a different number, and I don't need to know the account names in order to do this, because that's not involved in any of this. Whoopsie. Oops. That's no problem. Yeah, that's no problem at all. What I'll do is just delete it, and I'll do this. I'll find out which one I missed, because I'll just delete it, and I can delete all of these, and what I'll be doing. So core character 2100. I'll get to that in a sec. 87. This is the one. Okay, and voila. Okay, so these are 5 of the 6 counts I have, and what I'll do is I'll just delete all of these. Go into Majordomo. I'll copy, paste. Okay, now I'll copy and paste. Whoop. Give me a sec. How am I going to do this? Right, I'll just copy it last. So I'll just do it manually. So character, let's do the characters. 46129, and this will be the user. Would be, doesn't matter which order I put it in, as long as I get all the numbers down. And paste it again. user is unknown. Should remember to do that. Go. 1017 94647 1210 1486 98. Okay. Worked at a call center once and a long time ago. Oh, wait. Worked at a call center once a long time ago, and people were telling me their credit card numbers, and I would stop them and say, look, just give me it 4 digits at a time, because I found that was the optimal number of characters I could remember at a time. I suck at remembering. So that would be 2108152. I was freaking copying character data numbers instead. Character would be 215414067. And the user is, wait, 1 2 3 4 doing that wrong. I'll correct it in a bit. 8790 180. And this is going to be 1210 1486 98. And the last one, a little bit gobbledygook, but I'm happy to make mistakes and correct them so you don't make those mistakes the first time around. Alright, so that's done. Paste the last one. There we go. I'll just need to figure that number out shortly after I launch the program. I'll splice these 2 videos together. Don't want to show you guys my account names. Don't think that would be a smart idea. Alright. After a few moments later, it's working. I've got this character. Whoop. Bloody. Shadow play. NVIDIA screwing around with me. Come on. Got the taskbar to be auto hit and it's giving me issues. Don't know exactly how to fix it. I'll just minimize it. Okay. Hello, taskbar. Hello. Maybe it's ignoring me while the game's playing, which is good, but means even more I need Evo Preview, which I don't have at the moment. So yeah, this is my other character. I haven't touched the settings at all. And here we go. It absolutely works. I've got an RTX graphics card. What the hell's going on? That's not nice. What are you idiots doing? It's definitely software related. Come on. It's freezing. So apparently not even this new computer can handle 6 accounts at a time with the settings I have, but it's not like these, like my old computer can handle this. Why is this computer not being able to handle it? That's weird. Going on. Maybe it needs to shake in? I don't know. Yeah, getting a little bit sus, isn't it? Yeah, thanks, CCP. That'll be CCP's issue. Yeah, freaking morons. Yep, so if you've got a new computer and you're wondering why you get these strange graphical issues, yeah. CCP can't handle multiple accounts at a time. This is alpha. I'm going to ignore it. And go. So yeah, all of these are good. We are good to go. This is great. I don't know what I was doing wrong the last time, but I've solved the issue. And this core user was, believe it was this one. I should have it copy pasted. Yeah, there we go. So those are my mains. Those are my account numbers. Perfect. Woohoo! Okay. So let's test if I've got the hello. I pressed on dock. What's going on? What's the error? Am I going to get an error? Weird. Anyways. There we are. We're all undocked, apparently. I still cannot get... That's nice that they're refusing to open up the taskbar. That's great. Can I press Windows to get that going? No. Interesting. That's very handy, I suppose. I could just go to my desktop and then nothing. Okay, odd. I wonder if it's right. it's not the game's fault. It's not CCP's fault. It's not my computer's fault. It's NVIDIA. NVIDIA cannot handle Windows 11 even on good computers. Frickin' idiots. The shadow play. I can run OBS Studios and record videos perfectly fine the way you used to, but somehow upgrading to Windows 11 and NVIDIA shadow play just coughed up a lung as regards playing CCP's game. Might affect other games, but I'm using OBS, the video recording system, which is admittedly a lot better than Shadowplay. Shadowplay is just simple and easy to use, and so is Clipchamp, Microsoft's Clipchamp, but OBS admittedly a lot better. Okay, so yeah, yay, problem solved, I guess. Let's see now. The name's good. The name column has been adjusted. That was in the settings remembered as well. When I loaded all these characters, I made sure for the first time, so I get the numbers. I made sure to load my custom overview settings, so that way I was hoping that would remember which tab I was on and the size of the columns, the width of the column, which is excellent. I can see everything, which is great. So mission accomplished. This is awesome. So it definitely does work. Just have to be careful. But if you don't, just remember that you can delete all those entries, and the CCP computer program will populate the numbers again. So if you happen to screw up, just start all over again. No big deal. Of course, it would behoove you to make a copy of the character and user data that you use to initialize to setting all this up. So I only have to do it once, which is great. It would be great that if we could share this stuff using a better way than manual. This way, maybe CCP years from now will get around to doing it. Who knows? But they've fixed other stuff recently in the past. So, yeah, one of these days, right? But for now, this actually works, and have at it. Yeah, get your new computer without worrying about having to spend hours just trying to manually do each character on all your accounts. I know. I'll have to do the other characters, but I'll wait. I'm gonna wait on that. Um, and actually, it would be interesting to see how much is remembered account level via the UI. That would be interesting. Let's go check that out. Because the hotkeys and the graphics settings and all that stuff will be remembered as an account level thing, obviously. But what will be the impact of just loading a new character fresh, like new computer? For account settings affecting the UI. Nope, that's not fixed. Nothing's fixed. Yeah, it's just fresh. So this character is loaded. I can exit out of this program and then get the number, paste it, correct the number like I did before to this number right here, and we're good to go. I'll probably have to delete Major Domo's character number in order to paste that number over and over again to get it set up. But I'll wait on this because I'm not going to do it yet, because I want to shake down my mains and see if there's any niggling things I need to fix before I start getting all my other characters set up on these settings for the UI, the user interface. So that's how I'm going to do it, and hopefully I didn't miss any steps for you guys. But yeah, it'd be nice. Well, I could upload it to say a Google Drive, G Drive, I believe it's called. My memory's foggy, and download it from there and use that way to back it up, so I don't have to do this manually in game to set all my windows up. I could just have it online and download it. I could do that now. I'll put it in the descriptions. I'll upload it to G Drive. So if you guys want my UI, you can have it. I doubt anybody's going to take that offer. I'm sure you guys have your own ideas of how it's supposed to look. So there we go. Have a good one. Yeah, and no more bloody shadow play using EVE Online. That's what screws things up.